Mr. Nakamura, what sorts of food do you like eating most? Well, I like Japanese food the most because it's my country's food and it's an acquired taste. Especially when I went to United States, I really enjoyed hamburger and pizza, but I was really missing Japanese food. Do you have any particular Japanese foods you like? For me, I really like Chinese cold noodle, which is called hiyashi chuka in Japanese, even though the name in English is Chinese cold noodle, but I think it's Japanese food. You can only eat during the summer. I really like the taste and the seasonality. Who normally does the cooking in your home? Now I'm living with my wife and I'm the chef actually in our home because my wife doesn't like to cook and she does the dishes, but she does the dishes instead. Do you watch cookery programs on TV? Actually, I do not watch cookery programs. Whenever I need to check the recipe, I always go to online because tons of recipes are available online for free. Do you think that recipes online should not be free? To be honest, as I tried some recipes from online, but it needed some adjustment. Hence, I think some recipes should be free, but if it's qualified from famous chef, that should not be free.